Make a birthday banner with fabric. Birthday celebrations of young ones are not complete without a birthday banner that lets everyone know what the celebration is for. Although you can easily buy pre-made plastic birthday banners online or in the supermarket, a customized banner adds more warmth to the party, especially if made by a loved one. If you want to know how to make a birthday banner with fabric, here are the things you need to do. Ecide on the message. Write down the message that you want to have displayed on a piece of paper. The number of fabric pieces you'll make depends on the number of letters in your message. Prepare the pattern. Make a triangular pattern from a piece of thin paper. Your fabric cuttings will be based on this pattern to make each piece the same. Prepare the fabric. Ready the fabric that you'll use for the banner. Mark the shape on the fabric with chalk or marker, then cut them out based on the number of triangles that you need. If you have time, you can prepare different fabrics of different designs and colors that you can sew on each reverse side. You can either design the other side with another message, or leave it as it is. Prepare the banner letters. Write the letters or print them out on pieces of felt paper. You can even experiment on the letter fonts. Make sure that the size of the font is smaller than the middle of the fabric pieces. If you plan to make the letter banners reversible, don't forget to make 2 sets of each letter. Cut out the letters afterwards. Arrange the banner. Line up the fabric pieces and arrange the letters on them. You can arrange the letters in the fabric pieces in a normal position, or you can shift their positions. Check whether you have everything in place and whether the letters are easily seen or fit the fabric. Start sewing the paper letters to the fabric, 1 letter at a time. Include excess spaces on the bottom and fabric sides, about an inch on each side. This keeps the letters from being tugged into the binding that you'll make later. If you made reversible banner pieces, sew the 2 fabrics together once all the letters are sewn in place, except the bottom of the triangle pieces. Making a reversible banner is tricky, so make sure that the position of the letters are good and correct when viewed on either side. Remove excess parts of the fabric along the seams that you made so that the edges do not fray. Make the binding. Decide on the binding that you want to use. You can take any kind of stiff fabric and fold it to form a narrow strip. For a reversible banner, arrange the letters first, then place the binding fabric in the middle of the 2 triangular fabrics before sewing it in. Make the binding longer before the first and after the last letters of the message. As much as possible, Keep the spacing even between the rest of the letters. Once you complete your fabric banner, just look for an appropriate space to display it in and you're good to go.